सो हे गाइस, हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। आज संडे है, संडे का राइड चालू कर रहे हैं एंड दिस डे इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ क्रेजी डे बिकॉज 3 बाइकर्स एंड 1 बाइक इज़ प्रीटी स्पेशल फॉर अस। हम लोगों के दोस्त ने एक न्यू बाइक खरीदा है, सो दैट इज़ निंजा 1000. So we are going to Lonavala. Here's the guy who owns the Ninja 1000 and yeah, we'll see you on road. So this complete road is filled with all sort of vehicles. I'm sure आगे भी हम लोगों को दिखेगा। राइट साइड से जो बंदे लोग जा रहे हैं, हार्ली गैंग, सुपर बाइक्स and I am saying you के all sort of bikes we have today. I don't know if see, I told you. And these guys are coming back, so I hope they might have left for Lonavala or somewhere else early in the morning or maybe yesterday. So yeah man, this was just like 2 or 3 of them, but earlier there were so many. This beast looks amazing on corners. Just have a look at this, dude. This bike is crazy. Sunday का मज़ा ट्विस्टीज में ही है. I mean, get your knees down. I don't know how to, but every time I come here, I try to get my knees down. And पहाड़ वादियाँ ट्विस्टीज बाइक थ्रॉटल ट्विस्ट. सैटरडे संडे हो और राइड ना हो ना तो मज़ा आधा हो जाता है लिटरली. एंड थैंक गॉड ऑल दीज स्पीड ब्रेकर्स हैव मार्कर्स ऑन देम नाउ. पहले इस पे मार्कर्स नहीं होते थे एंड इट वाज अ पेन इन दी बीप. सनराइज हो गया एंड इट इज़ बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स नाउ, बट लुक एट दिस. So many riders, so many, and all sorts of, from gearless to super bikes. Everyone is out now and headed to somewhere. That was Tiger. So we stopped at this place to click some pictures. I mean, this backdrop looks crazy, and look at this. बहुत यहाँ पे बहुत हवा चल रहा है एंड लुक एट दिस. वी हैव पार्क्ड आवर बाइक्स हियर, all 3 of us, and it's too windy today. Let's enjoy these twisties, shall we? And let me give you an engine update. I have been constantly revving and the engine is on constant pressure, but then too engine didn't heat up because I guess it's all because of Motul 7100 10W40. So I'm pretty happy about the engine performance after I changed the engine oil. So yeah, pollution under control. I guess you saw what happened there. Woo! Can't complain. Now is the time to ride this beast. and now let's hear the exhaust note of it. So I did not set my GoPro according to this bike, but I hope you guys are able to see it. This is super duper smooth, super duper smooth. And I am at third gear, almost 2500, near to 3000 RPM, and this thing is going to pull like crazy. Just keep an eye on this. Woohoo! Dude, 1000cc engine, and this thing at 3000 RPM on third gear even is pulling like a butter. Woo! And the brakes are awesome too. Man, I'm in love with this. I have hardly ridden 200-300 meters now, but dude, I'm in love with this machine. Engine smooth, gear shifts are like butter, and the clutch is very light, even lighter than my 200cc Apache. And I'm not used to this bike, so I'll not be pulling this hard, but to give you a first impression of this machine, this rides like nothing else. And oh boy, this is a crazy machine. No vibrations at all, no vibrations whatsoever. Not on foot pegs, not on handlebar, nope. Let me give you some beans on it. Did you see that? Did you see that? I was on 3000 RPM, fourth gear, and it pulled like anything. Dude, this is a crazy machine. And it drops anchor like this. And just now my friend told me that this is on the lowest setting, so it might be on the rain mode where the power is minimal. I went 110 just like that. I didn't even realize it was 110. Man, and brakes are awesome. The twin calipers, the twin brakes in front are working amazing. And there's my buddy right there on Ninja 300. He's recording me while I'm riding this bike. So we'll pull out here and hand this beast to its owner. Man, I am speechless right now. This machine is so much capable. Look at this view right here. So, but look at this. This is the new highway I was talking about earlier in the vlog, and it is almost crazy. आज के ब्लॉग के लिए इतना ही. अगर आप लोगों को ब्लॉग पसंद आया है एंड निंजा 1000 पसंद आई है, तो give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And also subscribe to this guy High on Rev on YouTube and on Instagram. So yeah, ये वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.